All right, what is up, guys? I'm getting you guys a little update today. We're going to the rental house where we did the countertops a few years ago. I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago. But we are trying this new product. Never used it on countertops before, and I just saw it when I was at Home Depot, just walking down the paint aisle like I always am. And so we are going to try these Rustoleum Countertop cans, and I'll let you know what I think of use. But we're going to the rental house. We're doing a walkthrough for the new lease renewal or whatever, and I'm gonna be able to get some video of the countertops for you guys. So it won't be super long because you know, gotta respect their privacy, but I'm gonna snap a couple little videos and maybe a picture or two so you guys can see the countertop. It's, I don't know exactly, it's been 2 years, I think. I think it was 21. So I don't know, I'll update it down there, but yeah, let's go ahead and go down there. All right, so we did start by doing an inspection of the outside. We were here to do an inspection for the lease renewal on this property. But yeah, so you guys can see this is the house that we did a few years ago. Just kind of checking some of the roof stuff and the siding. But yeah, once we got inside, this is the kitchen. As you can see, the countertops still look pretty good. There was a couple of little areas with like damage, especially on the edges, like right here. Just small little scratches and stuff like that, but nothing major. And she said the hardest thing about it was just cleaning it. So yeah, I didn't want to get too far into here. They were cooking dinner, so I just kind of stood back. All right, guys, there you have it. So the countertops, they were still holding on. I mean, there was a couple chips and things on it. And she said the only complaint she has about those is that they're a little bit hard to clean after living there. So that's the only complaint she had. There were some scratches, a couple little small scratches and stuff. They were getting dinner ready, so I didn't really want to bother them and get into you know, taking more videos. But they've held up. They don't look absolutely horrible. They still look decent. Of course, they've been living there about 3 years, and you know, a big family with kids, and so. But all in all, I mean, they've taken great care of it, and it looks great still. So just wanted to give you guys an update. All right, guys, so if you haven't seen the original video, I'll put a link down below and you can see the countertops when we first did it. But thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to give you guys an update. I know it's been a few years, and I've had a lot of people in the comments asking if they're still holding up or how they're doing, so I hope this kind of helps.